I'm not the only yobbo here. The music. I haven't uploaded to YouTube again for a while. I've been moving house and doing a load of other crap, trying to fix my broken relationship. It's just, yeah, been an absolute nightmare. Hopefully now, rolling onto summer. It's spring now, isn't it? We've got a week. It's currently Thursday. We've got the rest of this week where it's supposed to be 20 degrees plus. Tomorrow up to Monday. Hopefully we get some more footage and get to share it with you guys. Gonna be going a bit delicately. I haven't been out for a while, about a month maybe a bit longer since I last done a group ride. It's been very quick, like 3 weeks or whatever, I guess, because I've had a lot going on. But yeah, we'll see what happens, shall we? I need to get a new visor. I've got a tinted one on at the moment, but it's iridium. It doesn't have a pin lock in it, so it just keeps bloody steaming up. Only when I'm stationary though, so hopefully I'm not stationary too much. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. My life just, well, his life flashed before his eyes.